just to simply modify something. China claims they've already got one, interestingly enough. And interesting enough too, if you really dig in, you'll find a lot of big companies putting out articles. They're kind of peeved at it because whoever gets vaccines is going to be making maybe billions of dollars. This is big business. This is beyond just industrial espionage, which it is too, perhaps. You never know. Well, you can never prove it, can you? You may suspect all you want, but industrial espionage happens. So even between super companies, for goodness, I'm not kidding either. Spies go out and try and get their formulas and things like that. As things change. So here you have not just a technocrat, Bill Gates. He's also a transhumanist, because the transhumanist movement are the technocrats who are supposed to run the world. I don't know if you know that. This was in the system that Julian Huxley talked about when he came up with transhumanists. They would create really ultra-rich people, at least the appearance of them. They would be front people, would matter. They would make them into, and by the public standards, with their public's mindsets, they make them into geniuses by massive propaganda and so on. But they would be given the job of deciding for the public to get how to get, again, the technocratic approach, get things done without going through the public debates and so on. Just get them done. And it'd be above politics. That's a transhumanist is the ones who are supposedly so rich and so on that are above human petty worries and human petty desires and so on. So they suddenly become awfully altruistic. Now, yes, I know Gabe talks about Platonic organizations and then Neoplatonism too, where the old ancient esoteric groups even into India, Neoplatonism, the philosophers and philosophies, etc. And they talk about Fisher kings, the people who would pick proteges to take over and rule the ancient world. And they would make them into benevolent dictators. You see, that's what it's about. That's what technocracy is about. And transhumanists, you see them in the papers donating millions, sometimes billions to this now, as long as they were in charge of it and push the world and direct the world and where it's supposed to go, you see. That's what this is. Do you get to vote for these guys? No. Does anyone even suggest you get to vote for them? No. Do you even think yourself you should vote for them if they're going to decide your future? No. Because you've already been trained that somehow they're special and almost godlike, you see. You're trained in this way. Look at that incredible propaganda machinery you've been soaked with for years to make you accept it all and think it's quite natural. No, Bertrand Russell said it too. There's nothing you can't train like into given time and money and get me out of. Don't believe it, is it? It's quite something, but it works. It's all here. So you have the transhumanists in charge of Bill Gates and his big vaccine campaigns and so on across the world. And what scare people do, and it's not it is not conspiracy. But when Bill Gates wants to reduce population, I noticed they've even got Prince William now doing Prince Philip's job. Prince Philip's getting a hold for Prince Philip is in charge of massive organisations across the planet, wildlife and they have the best farmlands across parts of the world, in Africa too. Almost you can't grow anything on them as for conservation, you see. But Prince Philip's been very open about depopulation. There's just too many people who keeps getting saying for years and years and years. And now, of course, they're giving that over to William to push that. And he's going to, oh my God, in another few years, there could be another 3 billion people on the planet. We're heading towards catastrophe, etc. I hope you understand this is all happening at the same time. And it's not coincidence, by the way. you've had this massive